Hey everybody, I just wanted to say hello and give you guys kind of a quick update. The first thing I really want to mention is I noticed on Sunday that I had marked the due date for the exam incorrectly on Brightspace. The correct due date was supposed to be on Friday, the 12th, I believe. But since it was marked wrong, and I realized not everybody had finished it, which is what really brought me to that realization that the date was wrong. So you still have till the 20th to complete the exam, since that's my fault, and I did not pick it up early enough to make a correction to that. So you guys still have till the 20th. You won't be penalized till waiting till the 20th to get that done, because that's my fault. On the quiz is also for this week brought to my attention that for some reason I'm clicking a week ahead on stuff and I don't know why. So I had, I think, selected the 26th or 27th. But that chapter 7 quiz is due, I actually, not Friday, but I made Saturday, since again I had clicked the date wrong. I went ahead and gave you guys an extra day. So it'll be due the 21st, I believe, is what Saturday is. So make sure you're getting that done. Or I guess it's the 20th, not the 21st. The 20th is when that will be, Saturday. So make sure you are getting both of those things done and also participating in the discussion board. So if you're the facilitator, again, make sure you're kind of checking what the responsibilities of that role are, and that you're kind of meeting those basic requirements for that. Regarding the discussion board, I would say the week before finals, or the week before the midterms, so chapter 6, some people, that was probably their best week of posting, but then there were a lot of people who did not post very much at all, either one or no posts at all. And although some of those single posts were good, it's not going to garner the same amount of credit or points earned as somebody who posts 3 posts with 2 really good posts and maybe an average post. So the whole point, it's not necessary. It's not, like I said, it's not quantity. It is quality that does matter more, but you still have to be active, and I think to be active requires more than one post. So keep that in mind as we work through this week. And then in terms of kind of what we have coming up, I want to show you guys the schedule. So obviously we just did the midterm exam. It was supposed to be, like I said, due the 12th, but I messed up. So it'll be due the 20th. So you still have a couple of days to finish that if you haven't. This week we have our chapter 7 quiz discussion board. And then next week you have your chapter 8 quiz discussion board, and then you also have your rough draft of your paper due next week on the 26th. So keep that in mind. That gives you about a week and a half basically to put together a rough draft. And just a note on that rough draft. Remember, the key part is rough draft. So it is a rough draft of your final paper, but the more complete that rough draft is, and the more work you put into that rough draft, the more feedback I can give you, the more accurate feedback I can give you on those. And then hopefully that feedback then helps you produce a better final paper. So keep that in mind. The more you get done on the rough draft, the more I'll be able to kind of steer you and guide you to your final paper. So keep that in mind. That's due the 26th. So you still have about a week and a half, but the sooner you start on that, the better. And in terms of grades, everything is up to date. Outside of the final and the stuff we'll do this week, I've got everything graded for you guys on that. I still have not received the list of students who have completed the survey from week 3. So that grade's not in there, but as soon as I get that, I will post that for you guys. So that you can, make sure that gets counted. Other than that, I don't have a lot of updates for you guys. Those were kind of the key things I want to go over. So remember the exam is due the 20th, and also chapter 7 quiz is due by the 20th at midnight. So hopefully next week I'll start clicking the right dates again, and we can kind of get back on schedule and get back on track with what we typically do. So if you guys have any questions, please email me. Please let me know. If you have any questions about the rough draft, or if you haven't completed the midterm and you have any questions on that, let me know as well. Other than that, I will check back in with you guys later in the week. So you guys have a good week and have a good fall break.